They call it the male hormone, the fuel behind energy, strength, confidence, and drive. But today, something alarming is happening. Testosterone levels in men are quietly dropping, generation after generation. And it's not just age, it's not just genetics. There are hidden forces at play. Let's start with stress, the silent killer. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, the hormone that directly competes with testosterone. The more stressed you are, the less room testosterone has to thrive. Then there's sleep, or the lack of it. Modern life is robbing men of deep, restorative rest. And without enough quality sleep, your body simply cannot produce the testosterone it needs. Diet is another culprit. Highly processed foods, sugar-laden snacks, and plastic-packaged meals introduce chemicals that disrupt hormones, especially testosterone. One of the biggest offenders? Endocrine disruptors like BPA and phthalates, found in everyday plastics and even receipts. And let's not forget movement, or the absence of it. Sedentary lifestyles have become the norm. When your body stops moving, your testosterone production slows down with it. But here's the good news. You can turn it around, naturally. Start with stress. Meditate. Walk in nature. Breathe deeply. These simple habits help regulate cortisol, giving testosterone the space it needs to flourish. Prioritize sleep. Go to bed at the same time each night. Cut out blue light an hour before bed. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted rest. Rebuild your plate. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Eggs, avocados, lean meats, leafy greens, and healthy fats. These are the raw materials your body needs to produce testosterone. Cut the chemicals. Ditch plastic containers. Use glass or stainless steel instead. Wash your hands after handling receipts. Avoid colognes and grooming products with unpronounceable ingredients. And move. Lift weights, sprint, walk every day. Exercise doesn't just boost testosterone, it signals to your body that strength and vitality are still required. Also, don't ignore your vitamin D. It acts like a hormone in the body, and low levels are closely linked with low testosterone. Get outside, soak in some sunlight, or supplement wisely. Lastly, connect. Real, meaningful relationships, not just texts or likes, help lower stress, improve mood, and support hormonal balance. Testosterone decline is not a life sentence. With the right habits, the right mindset, and the right environment, you can reclaim your energy, your drive, and your edge. Because being a man doesn't just happen. It's built, one natural choice at a time. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.